afternoon everyone, myself Niyati Dhamke. I am a lecturer in Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic College Titwala. So today we are going to study about CRO, that is a cathode ray oscilloscope. CRO is used to observe and measure electrical waveforms on this display, and its control panel are divided into three parts. Here is the control panel you are seeing here. These control panels are divided in mainly three parts, that is horizontal trigger section and vertical section. So we are going with first of all the vertical section. So in the vertical section there are two channels. You can see here the channel 1 mentioned here and the channel 2 here. Okay, and what is the main function of this vertical controls? So the vertical section controls the amplitude of the signal. So here in the display we will get a waveform like for example the sinusoidal wave. So in the vertical section here in y-axis we can control this y-axis using these vertical panels, these vertical knobs. So using the functional generator, or we can use a signal generator, we generate a signal and provide to the CRO, to the channel 1 or channel 2, or we can supply the signal to the both channel at the same time. So first of all we are going to learn about this vertical modes. That is, if we want to only using the channel 1, then we have to set this mode on channel 1, and if we are using channel 2, then we just have to set that mode on channel 2, and if we are using both channel at the same time, then we will set that mode on dual. You can see here. And if we are using this mode, this dual mode, then after that we have to set this setting, that is alt means alternately we are using channel 1 and channel 2, and chop, and after that add. It means we are using that two of the channel will add in one wave. Okay, so this is not for the individual channel, this is only using for dual channel. So after that you can see this volt per division knob here. Here mention have the voltage values and millivolt values. We can adjust, we can change that values for our vertical waveform size. If we want larger size, for size adjusting, we just change this volt per division value, division knob, and it is for channel 1 and this one is for channel 2. And moving to the another knob, this is the position changing. So we use it for our waveform. We want here is the x-axis and here is the y-axis. If we want to change our waveform to the upside or downside, then we will rotate this position knob and our waveform will rotate, change the position. So after that, this button you can see this AC, DC and ground button. This coupling, what this coupling does, this is a reference line if we push that button, ground button, then here the graph will only in line. So after that, the AC, if we set this on AC, then this CRO will oppose the DC signal, and if we push the button on DC, then this will show us AC plus DC. So these buttons are another side too. For channel 2, this is about the vertical section. Let's move to the horizontal section. So this is a horizontal section of CRO. Here we can see a position. So the position we have to change with time. That our waveform will see here like this. Then we can adjust our waveform with this display. I will show you practically. And this horizontal section controls the time base with using this time division knob. Practically, if when we are conducting this, supplying this signal with channel, then you will get how to use this knob. Okay, then forward to the another section, that is trigger section. So why we use this trigger section? So it is used to stabilize the waveform. If our waveform is not stable, it's moving, so we have to just use this knob, this control panels, these control knobs, and we will get our waveform is in stable mode. So let's move to the other control panel. That is, one is the main button, that is power on and off. So we push the button, that means power on. This light will indicate with color yellow, and again push the button, then our CRO will be off. Let's move to the another knob. This is a focus. If we want to our wave in focus, so we just adjust it in the moving. Another knob is intensity. So we just adjust rotating like clockwise and anti-clockwise. If we rotate in clockwise, then intensity will increase, and if we move in anti-clockwise, then our intensity will decrease. So this I'm telling you again, this is a y axis and this is x axis. Here is the time and here is the amplitude. Using this we can measure voltage, amplitude and frequency and time. And with the help of CRO, we can stabilize our waveform. Now I am going to showing you the actual waveform in the CRO. So you can see here, this is a BNC to BNC cable. We just have to plug it in channel 1 and to our function generator to the channel 1. So now I have connected this wire, this cable, and here you are seeing the display. I am increasing the intensity and the reference line is showing. I am adjusting the position . Yes, now it's perfect. So we have to give the signal to the CRO with the help of this signal generator. So first of all we have to fix our values of frequency, amplitude and offset value. Let's do it. First of all we put our frequency on 1000 Hertz. Okay, and we set the amplitude on 5 volt and offset on 0.0 volt. So that's it. I just giving input to the channel 1, so I will off this channel 2. So here I applied the channel 1. The CRO, that is sine wave, I am applying. You can see on signal generator. So you can see now in the CRO, on the CRO we are getting one sinusoidal wave, that is a stable wave, because I did settings on trigger section, so this is very stable. Otherwise it look like this, it's not stable wave. You can see if I want to change the position, I will change like this, horizontally and vertically, and I want to change the position horizontally, then I will just rotate this knob on having the horizontal section. So I will adjust as I want. Okay, it's perfect.